Okay guys, I know I'm super behind on this, but I have to watch and review the Chris Joslin part. This is probably one of the biggest, most incredible skateboard parts that have been released in the past, I don't know, a very long time. I purposely didn't watch it. I started watching it and then I was like, no, I cannot. I cannot watch it. I need to review this on camera so everybody can get my legit first try reactions. So here we go. Chris Joslin's G-Ma part. Let's see what we got. I actually knew he was gonna tray flip El Toro because he's the absolute GOAT. Okay, let's watch this. Okay, Rockstar Energy, Lakai, Plan B, let's go. Huge shout out to Lakai, you guys are rad. Okay, I also love that he works out. He's taking care of his body, he's in good shape. This is like skateboarding going into 2025, 2026. You're an athlete now. Back in the day, it wasn't like that at all. Okay, so huge tray flip, backside big spin over in rail, sick style, just the best. And how is he like so ripped? He's like definitely at the top of his physical game right here. Oh, I love that little shove it right in the middle. Big spin, front big spin, switch front big spin. Okay, nollie 3 heel, so good. Okay, here we go. Little line action. Nollie heel front nose slide, super sick. And with the tech ledge tricks, let's go. I also love it, and he has his kids in there a lot. So cool. He's just like such a family, just like such a good dude. He's like, I'm just going to skate. I'm a skater, let's go. That was insane. Can't imagine how many boards he breaks. It's just like such high impact skating. It's like the exact opposite of my skating. I'm like such low impact flat ground manuals, and he's like, we're jumping off everything. Massive, just absolutely massive. Ooh, the nollie heel, so good. Yeah, so legendary. Switch frontside flip over the rail. Is that a bigger flip? Wow, yeah, I saw that on Instagram, so good. Nollie inward heel late back 180. Oh, that varial heel flip was massive. Sometimes these clips, they don't even do it justice, because I guarantee if you went there in real life, that grass gap was insane. Bigger than you would even imagine. Which a lot of these things I have seen in real life, and they are bigger than you would even imagine. Like that set of stairs is in downtown SF, it's huge. Super sick backside big spin down it. And then this, Wallenberg, completely insane how big this thing is. Again, if you do a trick down Wallenberg and it's not your ender, that's saying something. Big flip, he big flip. Wow, clean too. They literally build a custom ramp and put it in that school just so they can skate those stairs. This is the most insane. Okay, here we go. Oh, I've never seen any of the bales. It's so insane. I wonder how many tries that took. He's just flying. Oh, beast. Absolute beast. Wow, the catch on that. He caught it so perfect, so high. The front foot was so locked in. That set of stairs is completely massive. Again, you cannot even understand. You cannot even understand how big that is. And the fact that he tried this years earlier, fun fact, a lot of you guys might not even know. He tried this, broke his truck, and he was basically riding away, but he couldn't fully land because his truck was fully broken. And then here, 8 years later, he gets in shape, he works out, he goes back, and he lands it so sickeningly clean. Oh wow, here we go. Here we go, showing it again. Maybe a full on just angle. Dude, that is the most legendary tray flip ever. I cannot believe it. Just to see somebody push themselves to that limit and go through what it took him to go through to land that. And I love how like every best skateboarder in the world is just there. They're just there to watch. That's so good. So absolutely, this is why skateboarding is the best. Colin McKay, legend, checks the photo. So awesome. Okay, I absolutely love the part. I'm so glad that he won Skater of the Year. For those of you who don't know, Skater of the Year, or SOTY, as some people will call it, SOTY for short, stands for Skater of the Year, is Thrasher Magazine's highest ranking skateboarder for the year, I guess is the best way to put it. So they take all the skateboarders and they just have a contest to see who was Skater of the Year, who pushed the limits, who pushed themselves to the next level, and Chris Joslin this year is the 2025 Skater of the Year. Very, very, very well done, Chris Joslin. You are an absolute legend. You pushed through. I cannot believe you landed the tray flip down El Toro. I think it was awesome. I think you're very deserving of Skater of the Year. But I'd love to hear what you guys think. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think about the video part? What do you think about Skater of the Year? Do you want to see more video parts from the industry like this? Do you want to see more full-length video parts? Is that still a thing? Because when I was growing up, this is all skateboarding was. You would wait sometimes 5 or 6 years just to see the video part come out. You would go to the skate shop, you would watch the premiere, and it was the most mind-blowing thing. Now with the internet and the amount of footage that gets filtrated every day onto Instagram, YouTube, etc., it kind of ruined that scene. And it's very sad for old skate nerds like myself. But I gotta say, this brought the entire skateboard industry together. It's bringing it back. Let's go skateboarding. It's time. And let's push this forward into 2026 for all the skateboarders to come together, keep pushing skateboarding, get out there and help it grow. If you're brand new to skateboarding and you want to learn how to ride a skateboard, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. Link is down there in that description below. I got everything you need to learn how to ride a skateboard and to get good at all the skateboarding tricks and keep yourself healthy and fit. Keep pushing, guys. We'll see you in the next video.